In this video, we will discuss how to add users to teams and create a management hierarchy in HubSpot. So to do that, you first need to head over to your homepage on your HubSpot. From in there, you can see right here this gear icon. So click on this gear icon, and this will direct you to the settings of your HubSpot. Once you're in there, just navigate to the users and teams. It's under the account management. Here it is right there, so proceed to click on this. Once you do, this will load a new screen right there. Proceed to click on Teams right here. Once you do, you can see all of the available teams that you have right now. If you have none yet, click on Create Team. Enter your team name. Like for example, let's name this as Accounting. Then for this, just choose the people that you want added. You can also search for particular people that you want added right there. Click onto the save in order to add or create your team right here. Now for the hierarchy, you can just put this team under another team if you want. So to do this, just head over and create another team. So for example, let's add right here payroll, then add members. And now we have right here two teams. So what we can do is we can just drag a particular team right here or also edit it and then add it directly below a particular theme as well. So you can also click on this and then edit it according to your liking. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.